Demonstration of stretching the forearm flexors, or the muscles that are on the palm side of your forearm. Okay, we're going to start by tucking the elbow into your waist, and you're going to take your non-stretching hand, place that thumb underneath the wrist bones. This is for support. Then we're going to extend the palm of the hand that we're looking to stretch, and then we'll take our fingers of the opposite hand and just very gently 1,000, 1,000, and release. Extend 1,000, 1,000, release. Okay, if you want a deeper stretch, when you do the hand extension and then the assisted stretch, keep your fingers engaged and long. You'll get a deeper stretch into the tissue. But if you need to start with the fingers bent, that's totally fine. Remember just to maintain a 2-second hold in order to create the maximum amount of length that we can with the stretch. When we hold a stretch beyond 2 seconds, that engages what are called stretch receptors. So the muscles will actually start to contract again in that time. Okay, so that is an active stretch that you can do for yourself. Now we're going to move into a resisted stretch. Doing the resisted stretch helps to force length into the muscles on the forearm so that they're literally forced to let go and lengthen. Okay, you are only allowed to use 15 to 20% of your strength in this movement of the hand. We don't want to accidentally cause injury. If you need to use less percentage than that, that's completely fine. I find that less is more in this type of stretching, particularly with the forearms. Okay, so exactly the same setup. All right, and thumb supporting the wrist bones, extend the hand, fingers come down on the palm. All right, now we're going to go ahead and just do a very gentle assisted stretch. And now I'm going to push my hand into the fingers that are holding the hand in space, meet the resistance with my supporting hand. We're going to hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now we're going to release. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and open and close. All right, now we're going to go ahead and extend the hand. Please remember that I'm hypermobile. This is already full range of motion. If you're here, this is not the stretch for you. Okay, all right, so again, we're going to take that hand, extend, create just a very gentle stretch, and now this hand is pushing toward, like it's going to try to go flat again, into the resistance created hand. Okay, but I'm only using like 20% of my strength. Right, we're going to hold that. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. And I actually just felt this side finally go whoop and open up. How many times do we do that? You can do it up to 4 or 5 times if you really feel like you need to. Go ahead, once you're done, put your arm on like a table or a countertop, take the side of your hand and just work from the elbow toward the wrist along all sides of the forearm, just to help reinforce the length that you just created in this group of muscles. And if you want to get in there with your knuckles, if that feels good to you, go for it. To me, it feels really nice. Okay. If you want to get a little bit more detailed, use the edge of the thumb. Don't dig in with the tip of your thumb. Just use the side of the thumb. That's plenty of sharp little tool to get into that space, just to help continue opening up the muscle, opening up the fascia as we're moving through there. Okay, all right, that is a demonstration of active isolated stretching for your forearm flexors. Thank you for joining me.